Okay, part 5 will be covering restoring the velocity database on the target server. Let's go ahead and jump right in.
So now we've gotten the files that we need. We've got our velocity database backup. We've got our velocity archive files. We have our DAT SNB encryption files. And we've got the velocity TLS certificate. So we'll head over to the target machine now. So as we can see on the desktop, the migration folder files are here. So we'll go ahead and prep the system to get the database restored. So we'll go ahead and exit velocity. We'll need to stop all velocity services. So we'll go ahead and start with the velocity security domain service. It's also going to stop the digitrack and the extension service here automatically. We will stop velocity SQL writer, CCTV, and the service control manager. We need to drop all connections to the database in order to perform a database restore. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and double check to see that there are no velocity related applications running, and there are none. Alright, go ahead and copy the velocity database to the SQL directory for backups. So we'll go ahead and navigate to that in the program files directory. And we'll go ahead and paste in our backup here. So let's go ahead and connect to the SQL instance on the target machine. Alright, so we've got current velocity database without any data, so we're going to go ahead and want to restore the database from our production server. So we're going to go ahead and go to tasks, restore, we'll go to database. Okay, we'll select device, we'll hit add, and here we can see our velocity 386 database backup is here. We'll go ahead and hit OK, hit OK. It's going to load up our file. Under options, we do want to overwrite the existing database with replace. We're going to go ahead and hit OK. So that was successful. So we're going to go ahead and hit OK.
This has been Eduardo, helping you keep your world verified.